keep my coat on the chair, like maybe you'll call tonight. Your name in my phone lit up and gone before it's right. I caught your eyes on me once, then you looked away too fast. I'm standing here with this truth, wanting a moment to last. If you only knew how I save my heart for you, every small chance, every sign, I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. I remember your voice in the hall when you said my name like rain. I wanted the answer so bad, but I swallowed all that pain. You may not see what I see, or maybe you're scared to try. I'm not asking for forever, just a reason and a light. If you only knew how I save my heart for you, every small chance, every sign, I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. If you're unsure, I'll be soft. If you're afraid, I'll stay. I won't force a door open, I'll wait for you that way. But don't leave me in the dark with my hands full of you. Say yes, say no, say something. I need the truth from you. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. Ooh, I'll show you what my heart can do. Your side of the bed stays cold tonight. Your coffee cup still where you left it by the light. I hear your laugh inside these empty rooms, but silence comes too early without you. Every sunset feels a little too long. Every morning starts a little less strong. I carry your memory through my day, counting hours till you're on your way. I miss you every time you're far from home. Every mile makes this heart feel alone. my window shut, rain on the metal gate, and dust inside my cup. You came with patient hands and a smile that stayed, like you knew every scar still had a pulse that could wake.
I didn't trust the dawn, didn't trust my own name, but you sat through the quiet and you said my heart could change. I found love again, right where the broken ends. I found love again, you turned my night to break. I found love again, and I can feel it, yes. I found love again, 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 again.
Some days I flinch at joy, like it might disappear. Old ghosts at the doorway still breathe my fear.
But you lace up my doubt with your steady light, and the parts I buried deep start reaching back for life. I didn't trust the dawn, didn't trust my own name, but you sat through the quiet and you said my heart could change. I found love again, right where the broken ends. I found love again, you turned my night to breathe. I found love again, and I can feel it, yes. I found love again, 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 again. Not every wound will vanish, some will stay and sing, but you make room for all of it. You make room for me, so if I tremble, stay. If I fall, don't leave. I'm learning how to open, I'm learning how to believe. I found love again, right where the broken ends. I found love again, you turned my night to breathe. I found love again, and I can feel it, yes. I found love again, again,
Your side of the bed stays cold tonight. Your coffee cup still where you left it by the light. I hear you laugh inside these empty rooms, but silence comes too early without you. Every sunset feels a little too long, every morning starts a little less strong. I carry your memory through my day, counting hours till you're on your way. I miss you every time you're far from home. Every mile makes this heart feel alone. I keep your name like a prayer in my chest, waiting for the day your head finds my shoulder to rest. No distance can change what we began. My heart still reaches for your hand until you're home again. Home again. I'll be loving you till you're home again. The phone lights up and I hear your Just for a moment the distance loses its noise. You tell me stories from another town, but all I want is you here now. I miss the way you fill this place, the warmth that calm your familiar face. Nothing feels complete, nothing feels the same without you calling out my name. I miss you every time you're far from home. Every mile makes this heart feel alone. I keep your name like a prayer in my chest, waiting for the day your head finds my shoulder to rest. No distance can change where we began. My heart still reaches for your hand until you're home again. Home again. I'll be loving you till you're home again. One day these roads will bring you back. No more airport tears, no unpacked bags. Just you and me under our own roof light, holding each other through the night. In all these lonely days we knew we'll become a story, me and you. We'll tell with smiles, with grateful eyes. After love outlived the distance and time. I miss you every time you're far from home, but our love has learned how to stay strong. I carry your heart wherever I go. Even when you're far, you're never unknown. So come back safe into my arms again, where our forever starts and never ends, until you're home again. Home again. I'll be waiting till you're home again. The door will open someday soon. Your shadow dancing through this room, and I'll hold you close like I always dreamed. Together again, where we're meant to be. Sunrise another day. You're gone before I wake. Coffee cold on the counter. My heart starts to ache. You're a whirlwind, a hurricane, a blur. I'm just standing here, a little bit lost, a little bit lonely. Make it crystal clear. Your phone buzzes constant, a symphony of tasks, emails and meetings behind different masks. I try to catch your eye, a fleeting glance. Your
dry, but sometimes, baby, I just wanna feel alive with you right here with me for a while. Just a moment, a second, a sweet, sweet smile. Always on the go. How am I to know you love me? You. Busy bee, always on the go. Busy bee, how am I to know you love me? You. Oh, baby, I love you. Make it crystal clear. I wanna feel alive. Ooh, busy bee, always on the go. Busy bee, how am I to know you love me? You. Busy bee. It's hard to say it right when you run out the door. Always one thing, then another, and I stay here wanting more. I watch your phone light up, then your mind go there. I try to hold your heart, but I only catch thin air. I don't need forever, I just need a little space. Let me get to your heart, let me stand in your place. Give me time, let me prove my love. Give me time, I can be enough. When you're too busy, too gone, I still choose you every day. Give me time, don't turn away. I'm not asking for the moon or some perfect scene, just a seat at your table, just a chance to be seen. I know life keeps pulling at your sleeves all night, but I'm right here waiting with both hands open wide. I don't need forever, I just need a little space. Let me get to your heart, let me stand in your place. Give me time, let me prove my love. Give me time, I can be enough. When you're too busy, too gone, I still choose you every day. Give me time, don't turn away. Maybe I don't say it clean, maybe I hold too tight, but I love you in the quiet, and I love you in the fight. So slow down, look at me, let my heart come through. I don't want a moment, I
Then the whole night folds and I can't deny it. My love, every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Take a piece of me with you. My love, every time you go away, I stay, but I break in two. I break in two. Yeah, your old receipt in my coat, faded in my palm. 3 missed calls deep and I still hold on. I drive past your block just to slow my heart. Same red gate, same porch, same missing part. And I can act so tough till the hall goes quiet. Then the whole night folds and I can't deny it.